Since all of us are working on one of the Google applications, such as Google Slide, Google Sheets, or Google Documents, here is something that you can use when you want me to correct your slide or Google Doc or Google Sheets. So here, so if you make change, so for example, if you've let's say made this slide and you want me to check this, usually you share this with me here by clicking on share button. Now once that's done, and I let's say I drop in a comment, let's say something about this, I type a comment, say please change this to another font. And then when I leave a comment here, what happens is that you will have no idea whether I have left a comment or whether I have not done it. So what I usually do is so let me just delete this. So in order for you to get a notification of that I have left a comment, what I do is that I on the same comment, and let's say this is done by, I'll just put my own email address here, but let's say it's me. I'll assign the whole comment to myself here. I'm just giving this an example. You can do it to anyone in your email address. And then if I leave the same thing, leave the same message, please change the font. What it will do is that it will send an email to the person who. So it will send the email to this particular email address, notifying that person that a comment has been left. So when we work with other people, or let's say you want me to correct it, and I've left a comment, and let's say you've made the changes, what you can let's say you've made the changes, and let's say you've made an addition here which you want to check. Let's say you've typed Kabuki or something, and you want me to check this particular thing. What you can do here is do the same thing. You can highlight it, click on comment, and then assign it to me, and then type could you please check this. Okay, so and this way you've assigned this particular comment to me. So if you're working with 5 to 10 people on one slide, let's say on a collaborative project, you can assign specific thing to specific people. But let's say you are working with me, and you want me to look at let's say there are 10 slides and you've made 10 changes. You don't need to assign each and every comment to this. Once you assign, I'll get a notification. That way I'll go and check the other slides and see whether you've made any changes there. So once you've done this, and for example you also want me to check I don't know, something here, you can just put this as a normal comment. Can you check the spelling, for example, and just leave it here, and then I'll see that, since I've already gotten an email with saying that you have assigned me this task, I'll obviously check the other slides for your comments over here. So this is how you leave a comment. This is the same for Google Sheet as well. You can take up you can click on any cell, use the click comment one. You can assign the name here, and once you've assigned the one cell, I'll get an email. So is this correct? For example, you can leave a comment like this, and once you've done that, this will probably come up in English for you, but once you've done that, you can for any other you just need to leave a normal comment, and I'll get to see that. It's the same for Google document as well. Okay, so again you can type and then assign the value to the email address. Okay, so this is how you assign a particular comment or a question to me. You can do that with others with whom you work collaboratively on any of the Google Slides, Word, or Google Docs.